Is airplane mode in Windows 11 switching on and off automatically? Here are 5 fixes to solve it. Press the Windows key plus X together on your keyboard to open the context menu. Select Device Manager from the menu. In the Device Manager window, scroll down and find Network Adapters. Click on the arrow next to it to expand the section. Now, locate the network adapter, right-click on it, and select Properties from the right-click menu. Here, we selected the network adapter for our PC Intel R dual-band wireless AC 3160. For you, it could be different, so select the network adapter for your PC. In the Properties window, select the Power Management tab. Now, uncheck the box next to Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Press OK to save the changes and exit. Search Device Manager in the taskbar search box and click on Device Manager to open Device Manager. Expand Human Interface Devices. If you can locate Radio Switch device under it, right-click and disable it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC keys at once to open Task Manager. Now go to Startup tab and disable all startup items. Navigate to the Start button on your desktop and type Troubleshoot. Left-click on the result to open the Troubleshoot settings. In the Settings window, under Troubleshoot on the right, scroll down and reach the Find and Fix Other Problems section. Locate Network Adapter and select it. Now, press the Run the Troubleshooter button below it. Now, the Troubleshooter starts running to detect any problems. Follow any instructions and wait till it completes the process. Open Run by hitting Windows and R key now. Type services.msc in the text box and click OK. Now, double-click on Radio Management Service. Choose Startup Type. As disabled, click on Stop to stop the service and click Apply. Once completed, you can restart your PC and the airplane mode switching on and off automatically issue should be gone. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.